Hello friends, welcome to another game tutorial. Sometimes unwanted spots or objects can ruin your image. Today I'm going to show you how to remove irrelevant spots or objects from an image in GIMP. So without further ado, let's get started. So at first I'm going to import an image to edit. Right, we have got an image here. Friends, as you can see, this picture has got a spot around here and this particular spot has completely ruined this image. Imagine this picture without this spot. I think it will be looking perfect. So we are going to remove this by using spot healing brush tool here. However, before going into the detail, I also would like to talk about the clone brush tool, because two of these brushes work similarly, although they produce different results, and you might need that brush like clone brush tool for removing your objects in the future. So the key difference between two of these brushes is that the clone brush tool actually copy the pixel source only and put it over the spot. This is how it removes the spot, but it doesn't take the background of the spot into consideration for blending. But the spot healing brush tool does take the background into consideration for blending. So if you have a picture with different colors or lights in the big background, then I would personally recommend you to use spot healing brush tool to remove your objects or spot. But if you see that your picture background is kind of steady, I mean if your picture has same lights and colors in the background, then I would recommend to use clone brush tool. Just to show you, I'm going to use the clone brush tool first and then you can see the difference. So click on the clone brush tool and then you will have a dialog box like this. You can customize your brush. At first you will have to select the right brush for removing the spot. So I am going to select this one. Since we have a soft spot around here, I have chosen the softer brush, and then we'll have to increase the brush size since the spot is a bit bigger here, and then also we'll have to increase the hardness of the brush to around 90. Yeah. Now I am going to copy the pixel source by holding Command key and clicking around here, right, and click on the spot. So as you can see, this particular brush has just copied the pixel from here to here. So it didn't take the background into consideration for blending. Therefore we are going to use spot healing brush tool in order to get a better result. So I'm going to undo this by using Command and Z, and then I'm going to change the brush. I would not change anything here because I think everything is brush size, hardness, everything is alright. So what I need to do, I need to copy the pixel source again by holding Command key, and I think we need to take pixel from somewhere here. Yeah, and then I'm just going to click over this spot. As you can see, this spot has removed. Let's have a close look if you need to do anything else here. Yeah, you see there is something in the edge, so I'm going to click again over the spot. Friends, as you can see, the spots have been removed completely. So friends, this is how you simply can remove any irrelevant spots or objects from any image. See you next time. Until then, you take care. Bye.